So I am working on removing a Subaru Forester trunk latch today in the salvage yard. Now you'll see it hidden. We have to remove this plastic panel first, and there are these clips that you remove. There's 3 of those, and there's these hidden screws, I think, or they're bolts. And I think they look like a number 3 from here. You just pry this up with a screwdriver and they're hidden underneath. You have to take this handle off so that this panel can then come down. Okay, so that's number 3 Phillips. Okay, the handle comes out. When you go to pry these clips, they have a mount on them. You go on the end here, if you can see that. Okay, that base stayed in of this one, so you'll just pry that one out as well. And then what I do, you'll use plastic pry tools when you're at home. I have a metal tack puller in the salvage yard. I think we can get it loose from this side here. And you just want to be careful because the plastic gets brittle over the years, especially sitting in the heat. Okay, so it came straight down, and it looks like you'll go ahead and replace any of these clips that come out if they get stuck in the body sometimes. There's 2 12mm bolts right here. Okay, and the latch comes out. Now there are 2 electrical plugs on it. There's one on the actuator and then one on the latch itself. And then there's a piece that attaches to the handle right here. You push up on that and then it unclips there. So for this spot, you just squeeze on that and it pulls it out. And then let's see if we can press up on this guy here. Just kind of pull down on it, and then you spin it around to get it out of the back of that piece of latch. Now there's a plug that goes in this way, but the release for the plug is on the inside, so you have to press down on that, but you can't get your finger in there to do that. So what I do is go in at an angle. You can't really see it here in the dark, but I press up with a small screwdriver on that clip, and that will release it from the back of the latch when you go to remove it from your car. Okay, so that's the latch. I will have the OEM part number as well as a link to eBay in the description. We'll see you next time.